Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our sixth chapter of practice book, Linkers. Linkers are the words that connect two sentences or clauses together. For example, the phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. In this sentence, the phone rings is our first sentence. You listen to the voice on the other side is our second sentence. And these two sentences are connected or joined by and. So here our linker is and. Let us take some more example. Learn the answer and write them in your notebook. In this sentence, our linker is and. Mohit is slow, but he is a hard-working child. Mohit is slow, but he is a hard-working child. So in this sentence, but is our linker. I was absent because I was ill. And this because is our linker. So in first sentence, the linker and is joining two independent statements. So that means if you want to join two independent statements together, then you will use and. Next is in second sentence, but joins two independent statements of contrasting ideas. Whenever there is a contrast in the ideas in two statements, then we use but. For example, I like ice cream, but my brother likes cake. Next is I was absent because I was ill. Here because joins the subordinate clause with the main clause. Here subordinate clause is joined with the main clause with the help of because. So what you have to remember? You have to remember that linkers are classified into two broad categories. First one is coordinating linkers and second one is subordinating linkers. Coordinating linkers, for example, and, but, or, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. And subordinating linkers are because, although, after, if, since, while, so, that, as. Now, and as well as not only but also, yet, still, but, neither, nor, either, or are coordinating linkers. These linkers join independent sentences in three ways, like and merely add one statement to another. As we have already discussed, when we are joining two independent statements together, then we use and but add two statements of contrasting ideas, or add two statements expressing choice. Whenever there is a choice, then we use or. For example, what would you like to have, tea or coffee? Two options are there, tea or coffee. Now next is the linker that join the main clause and subordinate clause. They are called subordinating linkers. For example, you will get a trophy if you win. In this sentence, you will get a trophy is our main clause, you win is our subordinate clause, and if is our subordinating linker. We have already discussed about main clause and subordinate clause in our previous chapter, that is chapter number 5. So I hope that is clear to you. So whenever you are joining one main clause and one subordinate clause together, then we use subordinating linker. And when we are joining two independent statements together, then we use coordinating linker. Now here is the list of all the subordinating and linkers. Subordinating linkers are divided into 7 parts. First one is subordinating linker of time. These are before, till, since, after, when, as. Next is cause or reason, because, as, since. Subordinating linker of comparison are then, whereas, such as. Purpose, that, so that. Result, that, so that. Condition, if, unless. And subordinating linkers of concession are although and even if. Now let us discuss the worksheets of the chapter one by one. In worksheet number 1, read the following extract from a science newspaper and take the correct option from the boxes. Two options are there and you have to take the correct option. Like what you hear is what you see. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. You can hear voice of the speaker, but can you see what the speaker looks like? Well, maybe. So when you speak up, be careful because your voice may also convey information of your life. So like this, you will complete this worksheet, rest of the worksheet. Now come to the worksheet number 2. Given on the next page is a checklist of likes and dislikes of Pooja and Vineet. Read it carefully and write about their likes and dislikes using the following linkers. Linkers are given in the box and two examples have been done for you. Like first one is reading magazine. Pooja likes, Vineet also likes. So both Pooja and Vineet like reading magazines. Next is watching TV. Pooja likes but Vineet does not. So Pooja likes watching TV but Vineet does not. Next is shopping. Pooja likes, Vineet does not. So you will write down Pooja likes shopping but Vineet does not. Next is dining out. Pooja likes, Vineet also likes. So both Pooja and Vineet like dining out. So like this you will complete the rest of the worksheet. Now worksheet number 4. Join the following sentences using the linker specified in the box against each sentence. One has been done for you. Like the rain was over, the sun shone brightly, and you have to use linker of time. The sun shone brightly after the rain was over. Next is the teacher was not in the staff room, I came back. Now linker of reason. As we have already discussed, the linker of reasons are because, as or since. So the teacher was not in the staff room, I came back. So we will frame the sentence, I came back because the teacher was not in the staff room. I have used because, linker of reason. Next is Manan will visit their house. He wants to discuss his problem with them. Here we have to use linker of purpose. So our linker of purpose are that and so that. So we will frame the sentence, Manan wants to discuss his problem with them, so he will visit their house. Manan wants to discuss his problem with them, so he will visit their house. In the same way, you will complete the rest of the worksheet yourself. Now worksheet number 5. Given below are some measures suggested for the development of rural areas. Fill in the blanks with suitable linker to understand their full meaning and significance. Dash literacy is the root cause of people's ignorance of their rights. We should lay more stress on making them literate. Here we will use linker although. Although literacy is the root cause of people's ignorance of their rights, we should lay more stress on making them literate. Like this you will complete this worksheet. Worksheet number 6 you will try yourself. Come to the worksheet number 7 now. In each of the sentences given below, words is or are missing. Put a slash where the word is or are missing. Find the appropriate words from the box below and write them in the box. Like editing omissions. One word is missing and you have to put a slash where the word is missing and you have to write down the correct word from the box. Like first one is the circular was distributed that the students might know the vacation schedule. Here the circular was distributed, there you will put slash so that the students might know the schedule. Next is do not lie even the word is against you. In this sentence, do not lie even if the word is against you. So after even you will put a slash. He saved a rupee daily so he could have something in time of need. Here he saved a rupee daily so that So after so you will put a slash and the correct word is that, so that he could have something in the time of need. I hope it is clear and you will try rest of the worksheet yourself. Next is do it yourself. In the same way you will try do it yourself also, because it is also editing errors or omissions. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.